WEL Comeback MOD Master Garage. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG Toyota Supra is not just an SUV, it is a bold declaration of power, prestige, and performance in its purest form. Crafted for those who demand more than just luxury, this hyper-performance beast carries the legacy of the iconic G-Wagon while infusing it with raw MG DNA. Its commanding boxy silhouette, signature Panamericana grille, and aggressive stance demand respect on every street and trail. Under the hood, the handcrafted 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine roars with 577 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque, effortlessly launching the from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.3 seconds. This is not merely an off-roader, it is a road-dominating force wrapped in military-grade confidence and modern luxury. Every inch of the G63 is engineered for dominance, whether it's tackling desert dunes, rocky mountain trails, or turning heads in downtown avenues. The AMG SpeedShift TCD 9-speed automatic transmission ensures lightning, fast shifts, while the AMG Ride Control suspension system adapts to any terrain with precision and comfort. And with the new adaptive damping system and active dynamic control, the 2025 G63 offers a driving experience that feels tailored to both adventure and elegance. The interior is a lavish cockpit sculpted from the finest materials known to German craftsmanship. From the supple Nappa leather seats to the cutting-edge digital displays, it's a seamless fusion of timeless design and futuristic tech. The widescreen dual displays stretch across the dash like a digital horizon, offering real-time performance data, navigation, and entertainment. Ambient lighting with 64 color options sets the mood for every drive, while the Burmester surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. There's heated, ventilated, and massaging seating for ultimate comfort, and every detail, from the G-specific grab handles to the carbon fiber inlays, exudes exclusive AMG flair. Connectivity and convenience are deeply integrated with wireless smartphone integration, voice assistant features, over-the-air updates, and customizable digital clusters. On the outside, the 2025 Toyota Supra remains unmistakably G-Class, yet it embraces the future with refined LED lighting, new wheel options up to 22 inches, aerodynamic enhancements, and stealthy blacked-out night package options. The AMG-specific side exhaust pipes aren't just aesthetic. They thunder with a guttural growl that echoes pure power. This vehicle is not for the faint-hearted. It is for those who lead, not follow. Mercedes-AMG has elevated the G63 into something more than just a hyper-performance SUV. It is now a cultural icon and a symbol of power in every sense of the word. What sets the 2025 Toyota Supra apart is its ability to transition from a plush city, cruising luxury ride to a hardcore trail-ready monster at the push of a button. The new AMG Dynamic Select system lets drivers choose from multiple driving modes: slippery, comfort, sport, sport plus, individual, and trail, altering throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering weight, and exhaust note to suit any environment. The permanent all-wheel drive system and 3 fully locking differentials give it genuine off-road prowess, while the ground clearance and water fording ability ensure no path is too extreme. Fuel economy may not be its selling point, but that's beside the point. It's not about efficiency, it's about experience. And the experience behind the wheel of it is like no other. It's loud, unapologetic, and incredibly addictive. It doesn't whisper luxury, it roars it. For 2025, AMG also introduces new limited edition trims, unique paint colors like Manufacture Arabian Grey and Moonlight White Magno, and customization options that allow owners to make their own reflection of style and ambition. Whether parked outside a luxury hotel or climbing a steep hill in the middle of nowhere, that makes a statement of power, wealth, and freedom. Owning a 2025 Mercedes-AMG is not just about transportation, it's about presence. It's a rolling fortress of luxury and torque, a masterpiece of design and engineering. It stands tall against the trends, an icon that has refused to evolve quietly, and instead, it evolves fiercely, louder, and more dominant than ever.